Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Zone based vehicle speed control system based on RF. In this project we are using PIC microcontroller, LCD display and MOSFET board, 8 volts of battery and charging circuit and radio frequency receiver. So and also we are using two radio frequency transmitters. One is for school zone, another one is for hospital zone. So we are providing the 9 volts power supply for the each transmitter. Here we can see 9 volts of battery, and also we are using step down transformer for this project. Here we can see we will take 230 volts of input and it will step down up to 2 volts of AC. This step down power supply will be given to this bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier main function is to convert AC into DC. So this it will take 2 volts of AC into and it will convert it into 8 volts of DC. That 8 volts of DC will be given to this battery. So it will give the power supply to this transformer. So here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charged. In this way this charging circuit will be works. So let's see the demonstration. So here we can see so it is showing normal zone. So in the normal zone car speed will be high. If I press this switch to upward, so then it is showing school zone and speed will be decreased. So if I press this switch to upward, so it will give signal to this, it will generate radio frequency signal. That signal will be given to this, received by this receiver. Then receiver will be given to this PIC microcontroller board. The PIC microcontroller will be given to this MOSFET board. Then speed automatically down. If I off this switch, then RF signal will be not generated. Then it will take the signal, then it will give to the MOSFET board. And after that we are using another hospital radio frequency. So first of all we need to off this one, switch off this one, and after that we have to put this power supply. So now it is showing hospital zone because the switch is upward. If I off this one, so it is in a normal zone. So if I press this one to upward, so it is showing hospital zone. The speed will be decreased. In this way this product will be works. So based on these transmitters will be placed on different zones. It is for school zone, it is for hospital zone. So these switches are on position, like these switches are on position based on the zones. Then car will be down the speed automatically. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.